Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, the one, the only, Gunno Lavish, baby. Get him right, Gunno.
What's up,
Get
brother?
him right, Gunno.
Say, listen, if you ain't logged in, you sitting over there just chilling now. You need to be logged in right now.
Gunno, I just made $1,700, baby. That was about 30 seconds, Gunno. We got Gunno Washington in the chat already.
They do it on a $100 bill. Turn me up.
Gunno, some people say that I just like Rod Wave, that we look like twins. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Identical. He Rod Wave. What you is, Max Wave or you Rod Max?
Rod Max sounds really gay. Who the
Called
fuck
you
called
Tidal
me?
Wave.
Call me Tidal Wave. Bro, don't fucking call me
Heavyweight.
Tidal Wave, Kyle. All right, Llama's a 10, but he got no print. What is he?
He a girl.
What?
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. We have a special motherfucking day ahead for y'all. It is 9:30 in the morning, May 13th. I'm with the one and only Mr. Llama Rep Pajama. Hit a beat for your mama, and we are live. The market is open. Guys, real quick, I want to say that everything we do is for entertainment purposes. Nothing is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are here filming the Big Daddy Morning Show, having fun. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got in the Discord for you guys. And don't forget to support our team, tip the staff, use code BDMP2P, buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.
Right.
We're gonna have a great day. Right? We're gonna get a great day. But you know what? Really got to get our mind to really lock in. You really got to get your mind right. And today, you guys know we got a special today. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Today, our Big Daddy Morning Show is sponsored by the boys over at FFF yet again. The boys over at FFF yet again, taking care of the team, our partners over at FFF. And that means we're going to do things bigger, badder, and more fun today. And we're going to have a good time. We're going to have a good motherfucking time. Don't forget to check out our sponsors, Future Funded Family. No, not 50%, 35%. 35% off right now and 40%. Don't forget to check out them partners. Don't forget to check out them partners that we got. So we are gonna kill it, guys. And we have I don't see Llama. Do you see?
Right now? No, let me look.
I don't see him.
Look. Bro, we gotta scavenge between 1,000 FNs.
I know that's just crazy. Crazy, and I don't see. It's like playing. Remember that shit? I Spy back in the moment.
Dave had seen. Tell Dave invite if he can.
We need to get our mind right. We need to get our mind right. You know what? Here, I'm just gonna do this real quick.
Many people here, bro. I found them. We're good. Invite.
You got them. Get them up here. Get them up here, ladies and gentlemen. Get your camera on, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the stage, the one, the only. Gunno Lavish, baby. Get him right, Gunno.
What's up,
Get
brother?
him right, Gunno.
What's up, brother? What y'all on?
Man, you
Live
know
Gunno.
right now.
You know
Live
about right now. Well, Gunno, give him some motivation. Gunno, talk to we got 1,300 people here. They need motivation, baby. Give it to them.
Say, listen. If you ain't logged in, you gotta get together. You sitting over there just chilling now. You need to be logged in right now. Right now, today, you feel me?
I'm locked.
Right.
Gunno, I'm locked in, baby. I'm feeling good. It is Tuesday morning. How are you feeling, my guy?
Bro, I'm good. I can tell you locked in because we synchronizing. You feel me? We synchronizing. That's what we doing, ain't know.
I know that's right. I know that's right. Listen, Gunno, I don't know if you notice or not, but Mad Nick, get us the picture. Get us the picture, Mad Nick. Our chat fucking loves you, dog. They fucking love you, bro. Listen, every morning they hit us with the FN, they hit us with the lock-in. Look at the chat, bro. They go crazy, Gunno. Your face, besides my face and Llama's, you're number 3 right now in the chat. Your face is number 3 in our chat because you got they all need to get their mind right, and the most motivational person on the internet right now is Gunno Lavish.
I'm telling you, hey, that's what it gotta be, man. We locked in. Gotta get it right.
Llama, so what we do here on the Big Daddy Morning Show, baby, is we fucking trade for fun. We are shooting a television show. We film the Big Daddy Morning Show every single day where we trade live and then we do some entertainment. We're gonna get some people up here. We're gonna do some interviews, Gunno. All right, and that shit can be crazy. It could be motivational. It could be out of this world. You know, we've had people boxing. We've had wars up here. We've had the funniest shit. We've had the saddest shit. So it gets crazy, bro. It gets crazy.
Okay, we locked in. I'm ready to see it.
I'm definitely about to lock in. I got my chart up. Llama, if you could pull your chart for the people. Gunno's definitely going to give out a free eval to somebody. He's going to give out a free something. He's got to learn. You know, Gunno, you don't know nothing about trading. When we initially spoke, you don't know a damn thing about trading.
I don't know nothing about trading. I need to learn.
I'll tell you right.
You're going to learn. You're going to learn today, my boy.
You're going to learn today.
You're going to learn today, my boy. You're going to make some paper today. I'm interested in this sell here. I'll tell you that much. So here's what it is, Gunno. We look at these charts. Price either goes up or it goes down. All we do is pick a direction. After that, we have our risk on the table, and we basically make some chicken. Simple as that. If we pick down and the shit starts going down, we're making money. That's simple. So, you know, once you get a little strategy behind it, you get a little you get a little edge over the market, because this is just 50-50. You, without knowing anything, can make some money right now. But if you then get a strategy and all that type of shit, then you can start actually consistently making money, you know?
This shit is straight. Pick a direction, up or down. Right now, I think it might go down. I'm waiting to see. I would like to see it go down a little bit here. Right. Unless
if it go down, we making money. If it go up, what that mean?
We're not in a trade right now, but if we take a long or a call, or there's multiple phrases you could use to say I want the market to go up, right? We say we're going long, or I'm in this buy. But right now we're just patiently waiting, and I am not in nothing. I'm chilling because the market hasn't given me like a clear direction. I like to be very patient and wait for my strategies to show themselves. My A+ setup. What's an A+ Gunno setup look like? Talk to me about your day, bro. What's an A+ Gunno day look like?
Pray and check my bank account. If it right, that's I call and check on my people. After that, hey, it's whatever, baby. It's whatever, as long as the bank account is right, baby. I get to talk that shit.
Right. That's why we do what we do. Listen, there's two types of traders in the world, Gunno, all right? There's traders that are trading for money, and then there's fucking liars. Then there's liars, all right? That's the only two type of traders in the world.
Right.
That's the only two type of traders in the world, Llama. We've been trading. I've been doing this 7.5 years now. Been doing it a long time. I'm very, I like to consider myself as a very successful trader, but I gotta tell you, this shit's tough, bro. This shit's tough. If it was easy, everyone would be fucking doing it and making bread, right? But that is not the case. That is not the case ever, for never, not once. Droptimus, shut your ass up. Look, Droptimus just saw his hero. Yo, Droptimus is one of our what do you call him, Llama? What are his pronouns?
What is his pronoun? Soon to be profitable.
Soon to be profitable. Soon to be profitable.
Profitable ninja.
Yeah.
Okay. Bad.
Those are his pronouns, and he is one of the worst traders in the game. One of the worst traders we have here. He's absolutely terrible. He needs motivation. He needs something. He needs something. I'm going to tell you straight. He's terrible. He couldn't buy a clue. He's lazy too, Gunna. You know what I'm saying? He's lazy too.
You can't be lazy, brother. You gotta get up.
Dave, I'm telling you right now, if he had a job to lay down, he would stand the fuck up. That's how bad he is.
You bad. That's bad, brother.
That's how lazy his ass is. No, we're chilling right now.
So I know you look like you don't eat that much, but breakfast came early. So what I like to do is I always show the chat the breakfast. They always want to see. Tell me what you think about this plate. I know you look very healthy, so this looks like your type of meal. What do you think about that?
Oh,
missing something, man.
What's it missing?
What other stuff at? What are like the bacon, eggs, and stuff like that?
This bacon right here.
What an egg at?
No egg. It is missing egg. You're right. It's missing egg.
That boy went all veggies. He's switching it up. He getting bougie on y'all now. Avocado with the bacon.
Bro, he's on his healthy shit right now, Gunno. He's on his real healthy. He's been eating salad every day, my boy. He's been eating salad every day. Llama, show him the fit. Llama. Let him know how you show him the fit.
Fit of the day.
Look, he got the booty shorts on with no print. No print. He got the booty shorts on. Look, at the shirt. The shirt's looking baggy. The shirt's looking real baggy.
You got it on, brother.
The shirt's looking baggy. right now, guys, we are in a clear uptrend. We are in a clear uptrend.
That's my area of interest. If this rejects Max, we're looking solid. Tell you that much.
SPX looks like it is in a straight uptrend, my guy. I gotta tell you. I don't
see the unique player build. All right.
You got the what?
Unique player build. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know what that means either. That's kind of rude. What does that even mean? I'm watching right here, Llama. SPX needs to pull back. It needs to pull back to that 57 mark.
Yeah, we just hit a major area for me.
For this to look good, it needs to definitely pull back on that mark right there. I might take a short if it does. I might take a stab at a short if it does, but right now that thing is looking bullish. Looking bullish, Gunno. That means it might just keep going up, baby. We don't know. We want it to drop a little bit, and then we might get our first clear look at an entry. Entry, and that's what we're going to be looking for here. I like the short right now, Llama. Hold on, I might try and take a little bit of a short. Let me see if this continues. I might try and take it right here, Llama.
Oh yeah, I want to see confirmations all the way down, so I'll go in light.
Confirmations on SPX. I'm in
light, and then I'll scale. We print through 36. Yeah, I'm up. I'm already up 400, 500.
I'm up 400. Yeah, I'm up 500. I'm up 500 per. I'm gonna trim a little bit right here, and I'm gonna put my wick out. Yeah, if it wicks me out, my stop loss is at 60. Gunno, we don't want this thing to go above 60. We want it to dump. I'm locked in, Gunno. Here we go.
We want this thing if this next candle can continue, we're looking really good here. I'm gonna go at 66.
Bro, I think it's gonna tap me. I feel it.
I'm gonna go stop at 66.
I feel it down in my plums. I feel it down in the plums. It's gonna tap me. All right, moving my stop to the top of this camp. Nope, tap me right there. I am tapped out.
At 66. It looks like it's gonna take me out.
Gunno, I just made $370 per account, about $1,700, baby. That was about 30 seconds, Gunno.
Here, VGs are following him. Need to go on top of that.
You ever seen somebody make $1,700 in 30 seconds?
Yeah.
No.
Well, then you never seen me pay a stripper in Las Vegas for 30 seconds, baby, because I'm fucking because it's the same damn vibe.
Hey, I can see
this hold here.
I know that's
if this can hold here, structure remains, and then we catch this flip. This print through would give us free range all the way down.
That was a pretty damn good one.
That was fast, bro. I saw 500 quick, bro.
Gunno's sitting here, and he's reconsidering. You know what?
In 30 seconds, 1,700. Oh man.
1,730 seconds. Gunno's about Gunno's about to text me right after this and be like, well, tell me what the link is, bro. What's the course? What do I gotta do?
Oh God.
Gunno, talk to me, bro. You know when we first hopped on the phone, I didn't realize you could tell from your videos, your videos, and congratulations on all your success, my guy. You are blowing the fuck up.
Thank you.
Like I told you, bro, my chat, bro, they'd say your shit, your catchphrases all day long. They're all just a bunch of retards. Don't pay no attention to them. But they love you, bro. But they love you.
Yeah.
But I didn't even realize until we got on the phone, you are hella country. You are like hella country. Like I didn't know if you were putting it on or what the vibe was, but very southern.
That's that Mississippi, man.
Mississippi. So you're born and raised from Mississippi?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whole life. Mississippi. I've never been to Mississippi, but I can imagine that
I don't know where it is.
It's got good food. Gunno, what's Mississippi known for?
Soul food for sure.
Soul food?
Oh, soul food for sure.
Do you like soul music?
Yeah, I do.
We listened to soul music yesterday. We had someone up here talking about he loves soul music. We had a banger. We caught a vibe.
I've been holding this still the whole time.
You still in the short?
Yeah, bro. I just want to break through this FEG down here, and then I'll probably scale it.
We're just in a range right now, so I'm chilling. I'm in no trade. Those double wicks at the bottom, I definitely don't like that, but it could go either way right now. We're in a range. Right now, Gunno, the market trades, so the market moves in different structures.
Right.
Obviously, it could go up, it could go down, it could, left, right, but most of the time, the market is what we call choppy. It's just in a range. It's just like real tight. You see, if you could see Llama's screen, you could see it just real choppy, real up and down. That's bullshit. We don't want to fuck around with that. That's where traders get killed because they're trying to go up, they're trying to go down, and then the market just sits there and smacks them around a little bit. I'll tell you right now, nothing will humble you more than the New York Stock Exchange and the United States stock market. And there's no more humbling experience in the world than the market trying to time the market or get into something like that.
Yeah.
Gunna, we got a question from the chat. What kind of ladies does the Gunna like? What kind of ladies does Mr. GL like?
I have the ladies that I like.
Let me guess. Hold on. Let me guess real quick. All right, chat. I'm gonna say something. Nobody take this the wrong way.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna say Llama likes I'm gonna say Gunno likes them looking kind of like me, to be honest. Kind of white, blonde hair, a little bit of meat on the bone, beautiful eyes. I'm gonna say he likes them like me. Gunno, am I close or no?
Why they drop 5 X's in front
far
of
from it.
Far from it.
You far from it.
Oh shit. Okay.
Right. Stop playing with that boy.
Okay,
he's cultured.
Talk to me,
my
baby.
My type, like I say like a realist. Like I know, like of course pretty, you know what I'm saying? But like I can't even discriminate like from big to small because I done seen big girls that I was attracted to. I done seen smaller girls I was attracted to. But you gotta be cute and a realist. You gotta have a personality. Definitely a funny girl for sure.
For sure.
Right.
Need
right.
that. Offer it.
Long as she pretty and she's funny. And shark, a hustler, we good.
I like that.
The rest don't matter. The rest don't matter. She's funny. The personality's rocking, and funny is a pretty good one. Funny is a pretty good one. I think that's so important. My wife is fucking hilarious. I don't like to admit it. I'll probably never tell her in person how funny she is, but she is so damn. She cracks me up, bro. She says some wild shit. She knows like the type of humor I like, and she gets nasty with it, bro. You know what I mean? Like, I think that's the best thing. And you know what the cool shit is, bro? My old lady supports me being a fucking degenerate influencer on the market and trading and just doing dumb shit all day long. And she's like, and she supports it, baby. That's all that matters.
Yeah, that's how we living. I know she for you.
That's all that matters, bro. That's all that matters.
I pulled out of that trade.
Yeah, Gunno's looking like, damn. How do I get in a trade?
I promise. So when them brackets like towards the top, like that mean it's stagnant, right? Like it ain't.
Right there at the top, yeah. So those are called candles. Those are candles on a chart, right? Those are candlesticks. And what you're looking at, we call that chop. We call that stagnant's another good word. Consolidation. We call it a bar coding. It's just dog shit price action. And so what we're looking for is trends. We want trends. So we want to. You see where that shit popped up nicely? You see all those blue candles? That's what we want to catch. We want to catch a move like that very fast, one direction, and we want to be on the right side of that thing. And that's Gunno, you eating?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. No. I thought you were leaning in for a bite. I was about to say you better show the plate. You better show the plate. I ain't got no leg. You better show the plate. He disrespected Llama's plate heavy. He disrespected the shit out of Llama's plate.
Right.
Llama, I wasn't disrespecting, brother. It was just different for me.
Chat, show Gunno some of Llama's real plates. Go ahead, throw in the chat some of Llama's real plates. Here we go. There, he got the French toast. Put up
toast with the banana with the egg.
Yeah, throw up the McGriddles for him.
A bunch of them.
Yeah,
come on, you guys are making us look bad. Speed it up. Come on, what are we doing here?
It's all salad.
There's a bagel.
There we go. All right, it was that panini. We got the McGriddles. He's stuffing his face there. He's a burrito. There we go. We got the sandwich.
Toast. You feel me? That's some good work.
Okay, we got the toast. He got all kinds of shit on his face.
That one's not me.
He got the grape.
No grape.
He got
that one's not that's not me.
Don't forget we got to do the podcast later. So also, fun fact, guys, special guest tonight for the Traders and Haters podcast, the one and only Gunno Lavish. Tonight, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the one and only Gunno Lavish gonna be on the Traders and Haters podcast. So tonight is going to be an absolutely fun one. We're going to absolutely kill it. We do a lot of fun shit on the show here on the morning show. But one of our things that we're known for is we give back free. We love giving back to the community, right?
Okay.
Well, we need to get one out of the way because I'm going to give away like 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 accounts today because we got you on board. So we need to pick a number. We need to pick a number 1 through 1,360 people here, and we need to get them up on stage.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to pick. Shoot out a random number, Gunno.
Out of 1,350. Random number.
Let me get 43.
43. No, my boy picked nice and right up in the front. I appreciate that. Because I don't want to fucking scroll all the way in the back. Let me see. 120.
Oh, that's right.
43. We got someone named Danny. Thank you. Danny, thank you. Danny, thank you. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Danny, I told you. Come on
up. He called you out. The one and only Gunno Lavish called you out. We got a lot of fans of Gunno here. Who's a fan of Gunno? Here we go. Danny, welcome to the show. Camera's on, or you got to go.
Danny.
Oh shit. He's from Spain.
No, it's not from Spain. I'm from Bulgaria. Hello,
Bulgaria.
guys. Bulgaria, yeah.
Okay,
do you have a camera?
Yeah, I have. Just a sec.
We got a Bulgaria. Gunno, we should also tell you that we're worldwide. There's probably over 50 countries in the chat right now. We're we're worldwide. So we're gonna have a
hello, guys.
Hello.
What's happening, Danny?
What's going on, Mr. Danny? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So you're living in Bulgaria. You're Bulgaria.
Yeah. I'm living in Bulgaria.
Are you a trader?
I'm a new trader. Yeah.
How long you been trading for?
Since a couple months, maybe.
Okay, no problem. We have a special guest on the stage. Do you know who Mr. Gunno Lavish is?
No, sorry, I don't know him.
No, it's okay. It's okay. He's very, very famous comedian blowing up here in America. He's got a lot of catchphrases, and they going super viral. They got even people making crazy videos of his catchphrases. Chat, can we get some Gunno's catchphrases in the chat real quick? Get ready, Llama. We're gonna catch them. We're gonna catch a couple. We're gonna catch a couple of them. Yeah, we're gonna catch a couple of them.
There's a band right there.
Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Get him out of here, band. We're gonna wait for him. Someone's gonna drop it. We get him out of here. Danny, so you've been trading for a couple months. You're learning. We're having a special drop today. Are you trading right now?
I'm ready to get trading. Yeah.
I'm
just coming from my work and sit on my computer to watch your show and everything.
We appreciate that. Where do you work at?
I am working now like as a courier in DHL.
Nice.
Completely different world.
Yeah,
with different job. World.
Hey, listen, we got people cut from different cloths. We don't discriminate, baby. We hate everyone equally. There's nothing wrong with that at all. We hate them all, baby. Tab, he speaks. He looks like he speaks Bulgarian. He's sitting here. Otkoi Grazi.
I am from Smolan.
Smolan.
Yeah, Smolan is my city, my town, my hometown. I'm here now. It's a small town from Bulgaria.
There's nothing wrong. Okay, that's pretty badass. Gunno, what do you mean when you said when I lose weight, it's over with? That's in the chat. What does that mean?
Yeah, what's that one?
When I lose weight, I'm gonna be like Llama, bro. Like I'm switching up everything. You feel me? The plate.
Talk to me. What are you switching?
The hate, the dates, and the weight. You feel me? I'm going crazy. I'm going like Llama, bro.
Right.
I'm gonna be like Llama.
You know, Llama ain't got no print. Llama got no print.
Yeah, now. Yeah, now.
Llama's sturdy. You heard? Yeah, he's sturdy, but he's got no print. So, all right, Llama's a 10, but he got no print. What is he?
Well, he a girl.
What?
He a 10 without a print. He a girl.
Yeah,
I think that.
He's a whole lady. Have you ever met La Mamita? La mama.
Jesus Christ, guys! Can we stop focusing on my print? We have a guest up. Jesus,
we have a guest there. Lamacita.
All the screenshots of my meter popping up now. Jesus,
oh my God! All right, hey Danny from Bulgaria. Hey, listen, we appreciate you being a fan here of the Big Daddy Morning Show. We appreciate you coming in after work, working your ass off, coming in and taking time to be with us, bro. And you know what? From Mr. Worldwide, today is a special day. You already won, my friend. You getting a free $50K funded future family account. That's a couple $100 account. We're gonna give it to you on the house, brother.
Thank you.
We appreciate you coming from across the world to watch our show. And if you deserve it, Big Daddy Max gonna serve it, and we appreciate it. All you need to do is open a support ticket and thank Mr. Gunno Lavish here, baby. He called you out.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
And you need to go on TikTok, type in his name, And then next time we see you, Danny, I want you to say one of his catchphrases.
Okay,
Sure.
okay, okay.
We
I will.
appreciate you, Danny. Thank you for coming up
Thank
and
you,
opening us
Danny.
a port ticket.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys.
Today we're just getting winners. Today there's just if you get someone up here, it's just gonna be a winner.
Just one. How about that?
Except for Fully Trades. Yeah, he's a dumbass. You know, he ain't coming up here. It's a nice breakout. We got orb. We had a nice test on the top and then a continuation up. That led to a nice move on NQ here. That thing is absolutely ripping to the upside, right with the breakout of orb. I was messing around. I didn't even see it. I wasn't even paying attention to the charts. But that long looks hella good. Now, the only thing we can do now, Gunno, is wait patiently for another A+ setup to appear, you know? We can't be, you can't be, the biggest problem with traders, Gunno, is the emotions, right? Trading, getting a strategy down is actually hella easy. I got a simple strategy. Getting a strategy down is hella easy, but then dealing with the emotional side of that shit is so tough because people get emotional, people get greedy, fearful, they get hope. Hope is a killer. Hope is a killer. You know, and at the end of the day, they just not locked in.
You got to be locked in on every occasion.
It's different. It's different when the money starts moving. So you see how me and Max both got in the sell. Sell means we think it's going down. We both got in. We both saw like $500 fast. Max was able to close like at 370.
Yep.
I held it for like an extra 10 minutes because I didn't want to get out because I wanted to move. I wanted a bigger play for more money. And ended up losing $60 instead of just taking the 500. So that's what makes trading hard. We could teach you how to trade. What we should do is, since he's going to be on the podcast, we could try to get him an account and we give him a little crash course before the podcast and we have him trade. And then whatever he makes, he keeps. Simple as that.
My boy's gonna full port 5 cons, make 10 bands, and go. All right, pay up, bitches.
That sound about right for sure.
Let's go. Let's get it.
That sound about right for sure.
What are we waiting for?
Exactly.
So, Gunno, I want to know what are your hobbies?
Hey, music.
And you sing too, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, you were in the choir?
I was in chorus. I was in chorus in school from like 5th grade all the way up to like 11th grade.
Wow.
Nice.
Every year. Yeah, that's one hobby. 2 hobbies. I don't really got no. I don't know. I ain't got no second hobby besides making content for y'all. That's about it.
People don't making content's a lot of work. You got to commit a whole day or 2 to that junk, and you got to continuously figure out new shit. Gunno, take a look at the chat. They threw your face on the $100 bill. This is Gunno Washington already. We got Gunno Washington. We got Gunno Washington in the chat already.
Yeah. They threw it on a $100 bill. Turn me up.
You see it?
Turn me up. Yo, that is so funny.
When I told you our chat is absolutely wild. It is absolutely out of control. Always. It's always going to be like this. I don't know what's wrong with them, to be honest. I don't know what's wrong with them. Something happened. We don't know what happened, but they just came out the gate hot from day one talking shit, and they've never let us down. Never let us down.
They get it from y'all.
Right.
No.
They get it from y'all. Yes, they do.
No. I mean, maybe a little bit.
Your only hobby is making music. You know, you're blowing up now, bro. What's that feature? What's that feature cause?
Oh, tap in with Crispy Cam. Crispy Cam got all the feature prices, booking prices. Damn. Crispy Cam have everything.
Crispy Cam, he need to change his fucking name from Crispy Cam to Crispy Catfish.
Bruh, no cap, bro. The first night I met him, like on the FaceTime, like I FaceTimed him and he just popped up.
The wrong person.
I'm like, what the fuck? And he was like, it's me, bro. I like, I didn't think you were black this whole time.
Yeah.
Right.
As soon as he popped up on my screen, I literally said, who are you? And he said, I said, who got the fucking Zoom link? And he said, oh no, it's me, Crispy Cam. Y'all thought I was black?
He thought it was black, yes. Then he got like the black tone voice with it too.
Right. He turned his camera on. He said, hell no, I'm Pakistani. What's up?
Bro, that man so funny, man.
Funny. Yeah, he's a good dude, man. He's a good dude. We got the chat, and he's a really good dude. That was a lot of fun.
I can't wait till the chat see him finally. I told him to move mysterious. They probably done bumped into Cam and didn't even know it.
No, yeah, I met a lot of people have met Cam and they have no idea who that is. No clue.
Right.
No clue at all.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to lock in right now. I'm trying to focus up. I want to catch one more trade on some micros.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch.
So there's different contract sizes. Gunno, there's different contract sizes. So the first one we were trading, damn, they would put Gunno on Prince with the pancakes, bro, from the Chappelle show. Look at him with the pancakes, bro.
Hey, funny, bro.
They
Y'all gotta DM me some of these pictures, bro. I like them.
You can get whatever you want, man.
Yeah, y'all send DM me them pictures, man.
This is a first.
Yeah, we got some heat in there. I mean, there's a bunch of they make these gifs all day. I remember one time we said GIF and they were throwing a whole bunch of peanut butters up there. So now we got to call it GIFs. But yeah, is that Willy Wonka?
Well, they're gonna they got pictures there. Damn.
Karate?
What's FM? Stay strong. What? Damn, they made him Jack. Look at Jack Gunno. That's steroid Gunno.
Oh, that's the locked in. That's the locked in Gunno.
Hey, that's what he said. When I lose weight, it's over for y'all. That's what he meant.
Yeah, y'all are funny, bro.
Bro, they got him dancing. Hold on, who is that dancing?
And they're gonna come up instantly. Like this is like within seconds. Like, bro, I'm telling you, I post a picture. If I go like this with my food, it's already in the chat, like in seconds.
Yeah, they're gonna be out of control.
That moves very crazy.
Yeah, you got. I would just suggest you don't pay attention to them because they're a bunch of degenerates. They don't got a lot going for them. Most of them are not profitable. Most of them are not profitable. We try and tell them, bro. I tell them I preach psychology. We preach psychology every day to these people. We try and tell them, damn, they got a picture of Llama Eden right now. Look at this. We try and preach all that we can to help them, Gunno, but they're just degenerates, not profitable, crazy.
And they ain't trying to hear. That's crazy.
Max trying to be gangster, and there he is sipping out of his Stanley cup.
Hey, that was a good segment. That was a good bit. That was a really funny bit. You know what I'm saying? Gunno, you can't be gangster and then sip out of a Stanley straw. You can't be a thug, talk shit, be like, fuck all y'all. You're all bitches. I'll run this whole place to the ground. Fuck all y'all. And then you take a sip out of a straw like
it's sassy. It's sassy.
You lose all credibility immediately. Yeah. That shit is gone.
It is. It really is. Because why are you drinking out of a Stanley out of a rant? You can't do that. You just went on a rant.
Right.
What if
you can't drink nothing after a rant. You just gotta walk off like ain't nothing bothering you.
Walk off, thirsty as hell.
What I said. I got the last word, and I can't even carry my phone in my hand. It's too heavy with these three hosts. Get them out of here. Get them out of here.
Did he really say that?
The three sexiest people in this whole chat, besides Jamie and Adalbito, it's the three hottest people on the stage. Fuck y'all.
Hey now.
And Bald Dan, my brother's here, Gunno. My brother Bald Dan is here. He's bald as hell. He got the egg head. We don't ever let him turn his camera on. We just let him show the egg head.
Yeah.
Bald Dan is my brother is the most hated person in the Discord. You know what? He's a union guy, but you know what OSHA is, Gunno?
Yeah.
He fucks with OSHA. He likes OSHA. So the chat turned on him heavy one time. Dan was like, "Yeah, I fuck with OSHA," and everyone was like, "Dan's gay. Get him out of here." Yep, it wasn't good. It wasn't good. Was it a good experience? We're getting a good breakout here. This is a huge breakout right now on all time frames. We're getting a massive breakout. This is a continuation from yesterday's close. We're just seeing a absolute up move. I don't know if this is going to come back down today. I think the market is just popping. Gunno, you start seeing some success. You start seeing a little bit of music money. You're gonna have to invest, my guy. You know you can't get rich without you can't get rich without stocks, real estate, or multiple streams of income.
Yeah, that's one of the goals, man. We gotta invest.
All you got to do is invest in what you know.
Invest a job.
Or if you make enough money, pay someone else to invest. What's this as a cartoon picture? You ain't finna manipulate me. And they're pulling out all the stops.
Crazy, bro.
They're pulling out they do this all day.
Yeah, they're going to do this all day. I want to apologize. They're a bunch of nerds. Nobody likes them.
Oh, shit, bro. Just joined the course. Welcome, Tal Watson.
Welcome. He just bought that page and Play University, guys. I love that.
The greatest year of your life.
Congratulations, my guy. That's absolutely huge.
So, Gunno, I want to ask.
Play the largest Big X the plug and let Gunno rap. Gunno doesn't rap. Gunno, do you rap? I thought you were a singer.
I do both. I do whatever. Sing, rap, and I ghostwrite.
Stop playing. He ghostwrites for Drake. Yeah.
What's that?
I've seen his name in the creds.
I kind of like the short.
I don't wrote behind the scenes.
Yeah, short's good here. I'm waiting on a print through.
This is showing the first sign of a potential short here. I'm gonna jump.
Whoa! Left without me.
I'm gonna try. I might get a little jumpy. Hold on. Let's see if this.
I wanted to pull back farther, but it was aggressive.
No, I think the market might pull back just a little bit. We want to see it drop back down just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. We're looking for a continuation dump. We want to see a big old red candle. That's what we're looking for here. Big old red candle, just like that. There we go. I'm gonna take a stop. I'm gonna try and take it on the next candle. Let's see. It's not this candle. I'm gonna wait for the next candle and see if we can't get a little dumpers in here.
I'm up 300.
Here we go.
Catch a continuation here, we're good.
I'm up.
Oh, we got a full print through. I'm holding this. We got a full print through. This looks really good.
This looks really good.
It's presenting now.
Yep, I'm only up about 150 on these, but it looks good. It looks real good. I'm on micros now. I'm gonna try and hold this bad boy for. Let's see the next red candle. I mean, SPX looking for a continuation down. I like the short, Gunno. I like it short, baby.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is the first possible look at a short. If SPX gets above like 63, 64, I'm not fucking with it no more. If it gets above, if SPX climbs, excuse me, I mean 78.
Trying to barcode in.
If it does, then you get stopped out. If it does, you get stopped out. The overall market trend is up. So when you're trying to short something like you're going against the trend, it's very hard to do something like that. You don't want to be the guy fighting the trend of the market. They always say the trend is your friend. But right now I'm stopped completely out of that thing. And there's another term I always say, there's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. So that little pullback was just a nice slingshot. Well, there's a big wick. There's a big rejection.
Very big wick. It was really good. I'm like sitting at entry.
I'm gonna watch this bad boy. See how this candle closes here. If it pulls back down into the 50s, I'm definitely going to take it again, Llama.
Bro,
definitely. We got a past challenge from Mark 22. Past challenge. Congratulations, Gunno. So we work with a lot of prop firms. A prop firm is a funding evaluation company. What they do is you pay like $50 to $250, and then they give you a simulated fund account. That's what we're trading on now. Our sponsor, Funded Future Family, and you could pay and trade with their capital. And so if you pass the hard evaluation and then you get funded, then you could pull out real money from it.
Right.
So it's a pretty badass system. It's pretty dope, and a lot of traders have been having some success with it. I'm one of them. Llama's one of them. We make a decent amount. A lot of our followers here starting to get a hang of it. Trade the max way. The max way is the only way. And then we start killing the game. It's nice, and we can have some fun. And the best part about being a trader is you get the financial freedom at some point if you stick with it. But the best thing is that time freedom, bro. That time freedom is everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you have the ability to do whatever the fuck you want all day after just doing an hour and a half of work. Like after 11 o'clock, I'm done. Just vibing.
We're just hanging out.
That's tough.
Nice
what should I expect on the podcast tonight?
On the podcast, it's going to be a little bit more laid back. We're going to be more focused in. We're just going to chat, have some conversation. That's where we're going to probably want to learn a little bit more about Gunno, We're gonna be hanging out. We just want to learn more about Gunno, talk about how'd you come up with your stuff, the comedian side of things. You started off, in the singing and the music career, right? I mean, so we're gonna do a deep dive. We're gonna chat. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna fucking and that's the vibe right there. Nothing more, nothing less. That's the whole vibe. And this is a nice breakout. Dang, this thing is going. This thing is going. This is a scary looking breakout. Let's see if this candle retraces. That would be crazy. Back to the range, but this thing is going.
No, I have to just wait.
21,200. You see that breakout, Gunno? If you just held that, if you took that from the bottom to the top, you'd be up over $1,000 per contract right now.
In 4 minutes.
Right. So if I would have started at the second week and said, "Hey, I'm a buy in," and it shot up, I would have. But that would have been.
Yeah. You'd be done. You'd be done for the day right now. You'd be done for the day. You'd be made decent amount of coin.
Yeah.
So Gunno, people in the chat want to know, what kind of music do you really do? What kind of voice range? What kind of songs? Can you hit them with a song? No, I mean they want to know about your music, bro.
Man, I'm doing everything, mostly hip hop. You know what I'm saying? singing a little bit, whatever you need me to do. You feel me?
Yeah,
I'm gonna give it to you either way. Hip hop, R&B.
Who's your top 3 artists out right now? Top 3 rappers
out right now, Lil Baby. Out right now.
Like, who do you get? You get in the car. Who you playing? Like, I need to just. Boop.
I'm bumping Lil
Right,
Baby.
right.
Lil Baby, NBA YoungBoy, and V's.
Damn.
And
That's a good lineup.
V's.
V's, YB, and Wham. Yeah. Go work.
Wham.
Let's go
for
work.
Sure.
It's a good top 3. You know who I ran into yesterday at a smoothie spot? Fredo Bang.
Fredo, I love Fredo.
Yeah, bro. I ran into Fredo Bang at a fucking smoothie shop.
If I'm not mistaken, Fredo Bang was the first big rapper to follow me.
Yeah?
Oh, for real?
Shout out Fredo. Yes.
No way.
Yeah. Fredo,
bro,
Fredo was the first.
Yesterday, we locked in numbers.
Fredo, real. I love Fredo. Fredo was the first. Yeah, he was the first one to follow me, and Sauce Walker was the first rapper to DM me.
Oh yeah. What'd that feel like for you, bro? What'd that feel like for you? You got, I mean, your celebrities hitting you up. I mean, how's that feel? They want to talk to Gunno. They want to talk to Gunno. I mean, it's kind of, what's that feel like?
At first, I was like starstruck. I was like, oh shit, like ooh. And then I started to realize, bro, they normal people like me. You know what I'm saying? They just got a lot of accolades.
Right.
So yeah, that's just what it be. So I'd be like, I'm gonna treat them like normal people.
That's all. That's what most of the time. I'm sure that's what they want. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah,
they probably get tired of all of the, all the bullshit that they got to deal with on a normal celebrity lifestyle. I don't know what it's like, for people to fucking have someone in their face all day long, talking, preaching, doing shit. But I can imagine it's not fun. You know what I mean? Like, people never know that side of things. I talk a lot about the consumer versus the business owner. A lot of people know what it's like to be a consumer. Not a lot of people know what it's like to be a business owner, and then the other side of the world, right? So,
right.
And I bet rappers and artists and celebrities in general feel the same fucking way. I mean, if your shit keeps popping off, you ain't gonna be able to do your normal day activities because people are gonna be wanting to fuck with you all day long.
All day long. Yeah.
All day long. And that's probably gonna be hella fucking annoying.
Yeah. And the start it's like cool and all, and then it's like, let me get some
Right. I get recognition when we're out. A little here and there. There's a lot, South Florida. Big shout out to all my people in South Florida. I get a little recognition when I'm out, and I love it. It's always nice to meet people that fuck with me. And at the same time, I'm, it kind of like I had people screaming at me with my child in the car on the highway. They're fucking swerving, trying to get my attention.
Yeah.
I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like that. That's not cool.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's different. There's different levels, of course, but it's wild, bro. It's wild.
Yeah.
You know what? Tonight on the pod, I really want to find out. Like,
what's that?
How did it come to be? You know what I mean? How did Gunno Lavish, like, how do you write your content? How do you come up with it?
Freestyle.
I never wrote a piece of content down ever.
Stop it.
You just felt it one day. You're like, today everyone gotta be humble.
Listen, right hand to the man upstairs. I never wrote down a piece of content.
You freestyle, straight improv, everything. Gunno. All right, if you improv, can you do me a solid? All right, I need a Big Daddy Max. Y'all need to start trading FN like Big Daddy Max. Let me hear some. Can I get an improv? Big Daddy Max improv.
Yeah. All right.
Let me see. Let's hear the
Big
improv.
Daddy Max.
But Big Daddy Max. Hit him with a Big Daddy Max FN.
But y'all need to start training with Big Man Max right now, fun. You sitting on your couch, wondering where your money gonna come in. That's when you tell Big Max. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You ain't messing with Big Daddy Max. You ain't messing with none.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah.
That was amazing. From the legend himself. Big Daddy Max just got ahead. That was great.
Yes, sir.
So I saw in the chat people were asking, who's your celebrity crush?
Damn. That's how y'all feeling?
Gunno, are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
No, we got some ladies. Yeah, we do a little dating show segment. We got some ladies here who might be interested in the GL lifestyle. Hold on, but first, who is your celebrity crush?
It's so many.
Top five.
It's so many girls. You said top five?
Top five. You know, there's a bunch of fish in the sea.
Kalani.
All right, respectable.
Who the hell is Kalani?
You know Kalani?
Max, he does a lot of clonazepam, so he thought you were talking about his prescriptions.
Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad.
Kalani on at the one is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I understand.
No order. Yeah, okay,
no order.
I'll tell you right now. For me, growing up, Shakira.
Shakira's up there. Shakira's top 3.
Okay.
Shakira. She to me has blonde hair, Spanish, blonde hair. I mean, blonde hair. I mean, and that's really it for me. I mean, Big Daddy Max don't discriminate.
That's Kalani nice. I don't know, man. I think that's about it. I don't know.
That's it.
Yeah.
No. We need you locked in. You're not gonna throw like a Ruby Rose up there, like a little Cardi B, like a Gina Aiko go up there. Sydney Sweeney.
Oh, Sydney Sweeney.
I like Sweetie. Yeah, for sure.
Sydney Sweeney, without a doubt, the baddest in the game right now. I don't give a fuck with no. The baddest in the game, Sydney Sweeney.
Yeah.
I said I'll drag my balls through a mile of glass to fucking smell her underwear one time.
He said,
Okay, boom. I bet. Kalani, Sweetie, Ruby Rose.
Okay.
Who's Ruby Rose?
Ruby, and you know she got a thing. You know she got a thing for us hefties.
Is that the Australian girl from fucking? Is that the Australian girl from? Is that the Australian girl from Orange Is the New Black?
No. I got you, Max. I got you. I'm gonna send you her. Don't worry. Take your phone out. Ruby Rose. How do you spell her name?
I'm pretty sure that's an Australian girl.
Oh,
I like Glorilla.
Right.
That's the one with is that she the one with like the Baltimore accent?
Now the Memphis accent, yeah.
Memphis accent. Bro, she's so funny on all of her interviews, how she embraces that and they fucking make fun of her ass and she still plays her. She's badass.
Yeah, Glorilla. Yeah, Glorilla. I think Glorilla be my main one though. Yeah. Glow. I like Glow. Glow just funny. That's that personality shit I was telling y'all about. Glow would be my main one for sure.
She is so funny.
Max, I just DM'd you Ruby Rose. How about you give us a live
blind rating? Yeah, a blind rating.
Live rating. I just sent you on Instagram.
Take it easy. I'll give you a live whatever.
Oh my god. Oh, here goes the chat just sending fucking birds left and right. Jesus Christ.
God damn.
Megan Thee Stallion is not on that list. I'm sorry, guys. Megan does not get on that list. It's very tricky. Very tricky. Gunno, so have you ever you ever DM'd a celebrity, like a female celebrity, and it's been like, hey, I'm locked in. What you doing?
When I was down bad, yeah, that shit sound weird. Like when I was down bad, I was shooting at them. Like when I ain't had no following or nothing. But now I be on shit like
right. Waiting for them to DM you.
Yeah, cool. Listen, like I'd be like, oh, cool.
I've done the same thing before. I'm not proud to say. I told Llama when I fucking when Game of Thrones was on, I was fucking DMing like superstars like fucking Targaryen bitches. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you know they should know they will come with it though. You know.
Right.
But I ain't did it recently.
No.
You're locked in now. Oh, they got to pay the fee just to talk to you.
Yeah. Now you're big. Yeah. Now they're going to be in your DMs.
Right.
They're going to be trying to spot at Gunno.
Gunno, can you teach me how to lock in? Right.
Yeah. But it's a few influencer girls I like though.
Right.
Yeah, they gangster. Like
when are you gonna go on tour, bro? When are you gonna get out of Mississippi?
I want to get out of here soon, man.
Do you?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Yeah.
Atlanta,
Florida, everywhere. Anywhere.
Just trying to get out of
the screen. Is that Baby Gunno?
What they put up there?
That's Baby Gunno. They did.
That's Baby Gunno rapping.
Talking about what a whole
rapping. Rama,
get your money now.
What?
God get your money now. If you try to get yours, I get your zeros up, boy. What's wrong with you? You want to be broken, looking for the hopeless. I ain't gonna lie. It ain't gonna happen, boy. Get your money now.
Yeah.
Yo.
Bro, y'all are funny,
we
man.
started doing that. Me and Max, we had started we had our production team. I just came with the idea one day and they got right on it where they're turning our podcast into shorts of me and Max as babies. And they just did that with one of your shorts.
Oh,
that was so funny.
Try to tell him the
Get
chat.
the money up.
You try to tell him the chat is crazy, bro. They are out of control. Llama, I like that treasy break. Hold on, I might try and take a. If this wick continues down, I might take a little stab. Hold on, this is a treasy. If it continues down and we break a structure low on SPX here, I'm telling you, I might jump, my boy. 86. I'm watching 86, Llama. I'm watching 86, Llama. This might be a little retracement. It might pop back up. It could be a flag. It could be a flag, so I'm gonna wait patiently.
I'm
gonna wait patiently for that candle confirmation. But if we get candle confirmation, I'm saying I want to see 86 go on SPX, Llama. That's all I'm saying. All right. That's all I fucking said.
Moving already, moving.
See the 86. See the 86. Here we go. 86, and you already know we got to go, Gunno. Here it comes. Okay. Here it comes. Okay. Let's see if we get the I want to see 2200. This next candle is very important. We got 5 seconds on this next candle. If this is a print through candle, we getting paid. We want to see a print through. Come on, baby. A little bit more, Gunno. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Oh no.
A little bit more. We tapping. I'm up big. Hold on.
Oh, the wick. We need it to fill. If it can fill, it'll go.
A little bit of push
like
through.
A full M here.
Little bit of push through. Little bit of push through. Hold on.
That's what we talked about yesterday. That Teb just broke.
Oh, I'm taking it.
What you made right there?
I'm taking it. Damn, I'm such a bitch. I only did one micro on the fucking. I took
one micro.
Bro, I'm chilling with my boy Gunno. I'm not gonna over trade and over risk it and blow my account with my motherfucking
full margin that shit for the bro.
You think I'm gonna blow my account in front of my boy?
Come on now.
I was gonna look. Either we make 10 bands or we lose 10 bands. How about that?
Hey,
that shit. We trying to win 10 bands, gain 10 bands.
Right.
All right. Gunno, how about this? I'm up 5,000 for the day, baby.
Let's do it.
I rode that short. And the short still looks good, team. Hold on. The short still looks good until SPX can reclaim like 25 to 30. Unless
if it breaks 25.
I misspoke. Unless NQ can reclaim 25 to 30, SPX has to get all the way back up above 90. So there's a lot of room here. A lot of y'all, here comes some free chicken. I'm going to give y'all a little free chicken. A lot of y'all been keeping these stops too tight, not allowing your trades to breathe and come to fruition. Your technical analysis it might not work in the first few minutes. You might need larger time frames to prove your bias in your trade. Let that shit breathe a little bit and size down. If you size the fuck down, you won't blow your accounts in one trade. Y'all acting retarded, going all in, thinking you're the biggest, baddest trader in the game, but it's fucking really hard to trade. And you need to size down and let these trades come to fruition. Let that shit grow. You plant the seed, let it fucking grow. You guys are planting the seed and then you're punching the fucking dirt, wondering where your fruit is.
Talk your shit, Max.
Gunno, how'd I do, baby?
I like that.
How'd I do?
I love it.
Gunno, some people say that I just like Rod Wave, that we look like twins. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Who look like Rod Wave?
Me. Hold on. Maybe not right now. Hold on. Maybe not now. Chad, get my Rod Wave up for me. Chad, pull Rod Wave for me real quick. Oh, I'm up 1,000. I'm done for the Chad. I'm up 5,000 for the day. Hold on. Let me get my shit right.
I ain't on, y'all.
Let me get my shit right.
He got the chain on, y'all.
Hey, Gunno.
Come on, that's some Cuban links, baby.
What you think about this?
Now he's looking like Mr. Roderick.
Now, hold on. Now, check this out, Gunno. Pistol Pete, let's get a side-by-side production. Pull that picture up real quick. Here we go. Watch this. Ready? Tell me. I don't see it, but a lot of people say that I look just like Rod Wave, like identical, like twins. So, here we go.
Okay, he got the pit.
The hard times with the never settle. Right?
Who do you think?
Yeah, that's you.
Right,
identical. You gotta come up with a he Rod Wave. What you is, Max Wave, or you Rod Max?
Hell no. Rod Max sounds really gay. I don't want to be Rod Max. I don't want anybody to Rod Max.
You're full wave.
Max Wave.
Who
Hey,
the
that's
fuck
hard. Max Wave, bro.
Who the fuck called
Tidal
me
Wave?
Called me Tidal Wave.
That voice called him Tidal Wave.
Bro, that's
Full wave.
Bro, don't fucking call
Heavy
me
wave.
Tidal Wave, Kyle. It'd be your own people,
Earthquake
Gunno.
wave.
Gunno. It'd be your own people.
I feel like Max Wave fits you though, bro. Cause you got
Max
the
Wave?
Yeah, you got the ponytail, you got the jewelry on, bro. You Max Wave.
Max Wave.
Max Wave, bro.
I like Max Wave. Rogue Wave, Rod Max. Yeah, Tidal Wave is crazy. I can't believe my own fucking moderator, my own people. Llama, it be your own people, Llama.
Your own people.
Your own people, bro.
We're in the chat. We're having a good time, and then my own motherfucking boy comes at me like that. My own boy comes at me like that. Unbelievable. What do I know about Rod Wave? He's
not much.
5'4".
Yeah.
He fell through the stage one time. I remember he fell through a stage.
Yeah.
That was poor construction.
They gotta. What do you mean that's poor construction? They gotta reinforce that stage with a big body up there. Gunno.
Yeah, you know, but and plus he had a lot of people with him, so
Right.
More importantly, what the fuck's he doing up there? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. My knees, I probably can't survive a 3-foot fall at this point. You know what I'm saying? If I fall off a step ladder, it's over for me. I'm done.
Yeah.
That's my knees, they're gonna fucking pop like bubble wrap. 1, 2 for everything.
They said he had a show and like all his people, he brought like a lot of people with him and he took
I saw it was like 40 heads. He had like 40 people on that stage, bro. It was deep.
That's not smart.
Collapse, bro. You just hear him like,
oh, we blaming the stage. Y'all fix this fucking stage, Holmes.
Gunno, your music career starts popping off a little bit. You playing on stage. Are you excited for that? Have you ever done a big venue or any venues?
The biggest venue I ever did, I was young, like real young, and we went to Jackson State University. And I don't know, like I guess I'm showing my age right now. Like Jackson State had a hip hop festival, so they had a hip hop festival, and like they had the band in there, like part of the band, the concussion band part, whatever. They had them in there, and then like I freestyle like open mic. That was my first ever performance.
Oh yeah. What do you mean by showing your age? How old are you? You're not like 23, 24 years old?
No, I'm 28.
Oh, but you just
You didn't think I was 28?
I thought you were like 23 because you got that fat black don't crack face. You look very young. You got that fucking. You're gonna be one of those. You're gonna be one of those guys that by the time you're 40, you're probably gonna look identical as you do now, and all your friends are gonna be like, "Man, fuck Gunno, bitch, don't age." Okay.
Right.
They come from not being out all night and laying down. You feel me?
Right. No, I mean, but trading is very stressful, Gunno. Trading is very stressful. I'm only 21 years old, and so. I've been trading for a while. I look old. You know, people think I'm in my 30s. It's not true. I'm only Llama just had his 21st birthday.
I'm finally legal to drink.
He's drinking tonight on the podcast. He's gonna drink to celebrate Gunno. Llama has a tradition on the podcast where he gets absolutely ripped, by the way. We don't know why he does it, but he can't stop. He can't fucking stop. But what do you tonight? Do you drink?
I take a sip here and there. Not a big drinker.
Yeah,
I'm not a big drinker.
What's your drink? What's your preferred?
I'm a wine guy.
Wine? Yo,
red like those
get that video in the chat.
Red like those dreads?
Yeah.
Red wine. You really are some kind of fucking R&B soul motherfucker. You really are on some R&B shit.
I was gonna be chilling. I used to drink lean, so it's like I got off of it. So it was like.
You used to drink real lean? Like you used to put fucking cough syrup and shit mix in your drink? That's disgusting. Why were you doing that?
No, it actually tastes really good.
Motherfucker, you're anything but lean. So what the fuck are you doing drinking it?
Hey, man. Hey. No explanation. I just was drinking it.
My brother Baldan used to fucking dip his bleezy in lean and smoke it. Baldan was on some crazy shit.
Yeah, I know that.
But I mean, I've done a lot of.
The problem with lean is that it's too expensive now.
We got some divergence here. It's expensive.
It's so expensive, bro. A pint's like $4K now.
Yeah,
$4,000 for cough syrup.
For a pint. Yeah, every ounce is like two. That's if you buy it like.
Yeah, it's called supply and fucking demand. It's because all of those fucking people that made it cool, everyone started buying that shit up.
Yeah,
now it's also it's just harder to get now, bro. The pharmacies got way on top of that.
I don't fuck around. No, I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do cigarettes. I don't do nothing, bro. I'm straight edge. I haven't drank since September 2023. My wife on her birthday. My wife on her birthday wanted me to get drunk. I drank 3 old fashions, whiskey with a little bit of bitters, and it was her birthday. We were walking back to the hotel room, and I forgot. I got so drunk, I forgot that I had ordered a bunch of sweet shit for. They had the bed with rose petals. They had chocolate tart, like fruit. Like, well, I was like, I had this whole plan in my head, like, I'm gonna take her back to the room, give my wife the best night of her life. It's her birthday. I'm gonna get real nasty, real motherfucking nasty. I'm gonna turn her ass into a chocolate motherfucking sundae and get disgusting. And I'm gonna be a
Kevin Gates. You went Kevin Gates.
Fun fact, Gunno, would you believe me if I told you Kevin Gates is my favorite singer, rapper, and artist of all time?
I feel it. I can see it.
I fucking love Kevin Gates. He's actually my favorite.
You gotta start wearing the feather.
I've been listening to Kevin Gates since he came out with Stop Lying. That was my original Kevin Gates jam back in 2012. I want to say is when I first started listening to Kevin Gates, or 2013 maybe. Yeah, a huge fan. But anyway, yeah. So I was walking to the room. And as we get to the elevator, I recall I'm drunk, but I'm like, oh shit, all this shit's in the room, but I'm fucked up right now. Like I'm talking about, like I'm having trouble breathing in an elevator. Like I'm fucked up. And I also had a big steak. And I don't know if you've ever been to a steakhouse in South Florida, but they throw down this fucking soft loaf of pretzel bread. And this pretzel bread will change your life. They fucking drop this loaf. And my wife got celiac, so she can't eat gluten. So I smash the whole
thing by yourself.
Whole pretzel bread. It's half a fucking loaf of bread. I smash it, no problem. And then I smash a gourmet mac and cheese, and then I smash a steak with a potato. I'm talking about, when I'm talking about full, I mean, I'm in pain. Like I'm in physical anguish. Like I cannot go on. And then I drank for the first time in many years. So then I'm fucking sitting here and we get up to the elevator. I'm like, oh fuck. So I just straight up look at my wife and I said, there's a bunch of stuff in the room and it's not going down the way you think it's going down. Here's what's going down, bitch. I'm going in the room, brushing my teeth, taking my shoes and socks off, and I'm going to bed. I said, and I'm sorry. I said, and I'm sorry that I'm a fat piece of shit. I apologize. But there is 7 different desserts that are all gluten-free with whipped cream, chocolate, and anything you want. And I want you to enjoy it. And my wife, being the badass that she is, she sat there and smashed all the fucking fruit with chocolate. And she put on like Bravo and started watching the Housewives of New Jersey. And she's like, I had the best night. Thank you. She's like, you know, I thought about it. She's like, do I really want your fat ass on top of me right now after what you just ate? And I was like, I said, you know what, baby? I love you so much. I love you so much.
Yeah.
And that's real.
How long
love,
you and her been together?
Me and my wife have been together since 2020. We started dating, but we've known each other our whole lives. We grew up down the street from each other. I've known my wife for 24 years. She was my best friend. She was my best friend as a kid. We grew up together. Bald Dan made the link up because his best friend was her neighbor. So I met my wife Amanda when I was fucking 11 years old, and we kept in touch our entire life. We've been friends. And then don't awe me. But she fucking quit on me. Don't awe me. But then we became friends. We stayed in touch, and then we became like the friend with benefit for a little bit. And then we were never just in the right place at the right time. And then can you Gunno, can you hit an aw with an FN at the end?
Oh, fuck nigga. Yeah.
That's a cute ass story.
It is.
That was amazing.
Yeah,
that's a little
friend.
Bookie butt, bro.
Yeah, and you know she's a badass. My wife, she's a real fucking bad woman. Bad woman. Yeah. Oh, look at this! You just wait 10 minutes, guys, and the market's fucking dumping. Who said that was going to happen if you let the trade come up? Who said that was gonna? Hey, Wonder Bread, you shut your ass up, white bitch. Ain't no one like Wonder Bread anyway, bitch. Stale ass bread, bitch. Stale ass relationship you got, bitch. You and your wife ain't never touched each other, head ass, bitch. Rather go wank your little meat in the toilet than go spend a day with your wife, bitch.
Pussy.
Fucking can't eat no
in the
spicy.
comments?
Can't eat no fucking spicy food, white bitch.
Pussy.
Spicier than toothpaste, no please, white bitch.
Pussy.
Fucking gracias at the Mexican restaurant, white bitch.
Pussy.
Get the fuck out of my face. Gunno, I told you we hate on everyone. We hate on everyone equally here. There's no discrimination.
I love
yeah, there's no discrimination.
I love it.
There's a big drop right here, guys. Since the initial push down, we're looking at 30 points and moving. There's a full SPX breakdown. I imagine this thing's going to keep on continuing. I don't see any reversal in sight. There is a little MVG up above, So you guys take what you want with that. But that short, that just netted 30 points. That was a 30 point
way lower than NQ had to go. Like NQ still has a lot of way to go to get to where ES is.
I know that's right.
ES move was way bigger.
It was a nice one. It might pop all the way back up for an MVG fill. Watch SPX shoot to 85 right here. Watch the shoot to 85 and retrace.
30 points already.
Hey, watch the shoot up MVG. Hey, where's my students at? Where's my motherfucking students at? Who saw it? Kyle, I'm mad at you right now for calling me a tidal wave, but I know you saw that shit.
They said tidal wave. That was crazy work.
I know that's right. Big Gunno L. Want to give away another free 50K Funded Future Family account. Our sponsors are Funded Future Family. They want to give away a bunch of accounts today. You want to give another one away to someone in the crowd?
Yeah. We're gonna give one away.
We got a bunch of people here. We're down to 875. Gonna pick a number 108, 1 through 870, and we're gonna get them up here.
Let's see. 101.
101. Here we go. 60, 90.
Good work right there.
101.
101. Right.
Yeah, 3 bar down. Crazy.
101 is someone named Lowkey 906. Lowkey 906. Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. I got to tell you guys, I felt, even though we have the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. GL up on stage, I feel good about my trading today, Llama. I feel really good about my trading. I hit 1,000 per account. That's why I'm one of the best in the business. My model works for me. And a lot of people, we call them replay warriors. They come out here and they do replay shit and they do dumb, but no, I always try and shoot my shot before it happens, because there's no better way of validity in this business when you can consistently say, hey, this is what I think is going to happen. I'm going to take it, and then it follows through. That's the number one way to do this in the business. And there's so much fake in the industry, bro. I don't know. I mean, you're in the comedian business. You're in the. We're in a very similar field on the social media side of things. Comedy, entertainment first. But there's so much fakes, bro. Like, it's crazy how many fucking people there. Out of every 10 out of 10 people in my industry, 9.5 of them, because there's a midget somewhere, are ass. They are ass, and they're full of shit, and it just casts a dark cloud over our business, and it sucks because you got people like Big Daddy Max, who's the real motherfucking deal. You got Mr. Sober, Pay to Play, Llama Red Pajama, and you got Gunno Lavish.
Hello, in the flesh. We in the flesh,
and so it's trash when you meet. You got all these dumbass people that ruin it. Takes one bad thing to ruin a good thing.
It do.
No, this guy didn't win a free account. We got to pick somebody. He said, "How do I get on?
Yeah, how do I get on?"
You got to accept the invite, my guy. Come on, accept the invite.
Accept the invite, huh?
Yeah.
The invite, fuck, nigga.
Right.
He's slipping on this free account. He's slipping. He's got night. Oh, he's on stage. You know the show. Big Daddy Morning Show, cameras on, and you got to go. Look at that. Gunno had to hit him with one FN, and that's all it took to get his ass up here. Gunno, do you notice that the power in the FN now? Like there's power. Bro, you become a full blown meme. I mean, that's fire. I mean, how does that feel when you see other people growing off your content now too? You're creating like a bunch of, spider webs.
Yeah, man. Long as they come with the game. When Michael Jordan had the fadeaway and created the shoes, he knew Kobe Bryant was gonna come. So yeah.
Damn. Don't drop to some cold ass shit like that on my shit. Hey, don't drop no cold ass shit like that.
I'm just saying, he knew when he created the fadeaway, and everybody wanted to be like Mike. So
everybody want to be like, imitation is the greatest form of flattery, baby.
Yeah.
That's what I always say. We got a bunch of people doing what we're doing right now on the Big Daddy Morning Show. I'm changing the industry standard right now. And that's the best form of flattery. Low key, welcome to the stage. How are you?
You gotta unmute yourself, gang.
You got muted. Low key.
All right,
Hey,
I'm here.
how are you?
I'm good, man. Just
Where you
locked
from?
in on Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan.
Where you from?
Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan.
Michigan.
Yeah, as far north on I-75 as you can go before Canada.
Anna, you're basically Canadian.
Yeah, no, I'm from Detroit, but I moved up here when I was young.
You a Detroit Lions fan?
Oh yeah, die hard.
Oh, go Pack, go Pack, go. Low key, you a trader?
Yeah, I'm trying to be not profitable, but hopefully.
Okay. Most people are. What's the number one reason you feel like you aren't profitable?
Just got a lot. I'm learning, man. I'm losing money, but I'm learning.
You're learning through trial and error.
It's a good way to learn.
Yeah, I've been thinking about taking the course, Max. Thinking about it.
I would highly suggest taking the course. I'm going to be honest with you. It's up to you. I don't care if people buy my course or not, but I got to tell you one thing. I know a very lot of profitable people with an orange and green name now. And then a lot of, I mean, you just check out that course testimonials and it speaks for itself. I'm not here to sell the damn course. If you want to get it. But I can tell you right now, I don't discount it and I don't give it out for free because I don't devalue my product, baby, because I know the value it brings.
I've learned a lot just watching you guys. I mean, every morning I'm trying to copy your trades, listen to what you're doing, but
we don't recommend you copy them when you try and do your own thing because we're here for entertainment purposes only. NFA, we're not financial advisors. We're up here chilling with Big GL.
Yeah.
He made 1,730 seconds.
Oh, that's crazy.
1,730 seconds, bro.
Gunno, how you feel about that? Has that been resonating with you?
Yes, it has. 1,730 seconds.
What if you caught us on like a whatever day?
Right.
Like,
what if
like,
I told you
crazier days?
Hold on. What if I told you that my total for the last 7 days is 32,555 now, and I've had 13 for 13 green trades, and I have not had one red day, and fucking who knows how long. That MVG with the print through. Who found that MVG?
Let me get $1.
MBG with the print through. Hey, MBG. Low
Y'all please take the course right now. He's telling you the game.
I'm really leaning towards it. Soon.
Gunno, hit buy the course, FN.
Buy the course, fuck nigga.
That's why your ass ain't making money, because you ain't bought the course.
The course. Come on. The course. 1,730 seconds. It take people a week to work for 1,700.
Yeah. Sometimes 2 weeks. And that's why we're out here trying to give back. That's why we do it. Hey, Gunno, that's why we do this for free, baby. That's why I always do this for free. Now, Llama, he's a greedy motherfucking. He wants me to pay people. He wants to charge for this. He wants to charge for the show, for everything, the entertainment. He wants to charge, but I won't let him. Gunno. I feel like we're not big enough yet, bro. I didn't change enough lives. You know, I made 7 millionaires in the last 9 months.
5XL shirt. You're big as fuck already.
Who got a 5XL, bitch?
We're not big enough. You're big as shit. How much bigger do you want to get?
Oh, you got a 4XL shirt with an extra small shorts. At least my fucking 2X, I wear a 3X, and at least my 3X shorts are equal to my 3X pants. You wear an extra small shorts. How you got a 3X shorts, double X shirt? How you got a fucking 3X top with an extra small bottom?
That don't even make no sense. I wear a 2X, bro. I take my shit off right now and show you, pussy.
Why you ain't eat the sandwich cold?
Why you ain't eat the sandwich cold?
Wait a minute, Gunno, was that you?
No, it wasn't me. That wasn't.
Did he grow up?
Wait a minute.
They grow up so fast.
Gunno, was that you?
No, it wasn't me. That wasn't me.
You know what, Mama did? Low key, listen. We're having fun, baby. We're having a lot of fun up here. This is the Big Daddy Morning Show. Nobody does it like the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Nobody.
What, you trading props, low key?
Yeah, I'm just started in futures. I've been doing other like swing trading, but
right.
I like futures, man. It's just more like the charts and shit. But
yeah,
I'm
futures.
catching on. It's slow. I'm going slow with it. Doing the micros, one micro, but I mean, I got kids and shit. I can't lose a bunch of money at once. But I'm learning, man. You
You
guys
learn,
teaching me.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm learning.
listen, every day we try and drop a little free chicken for our fans, baby. Every day we try and drop a little free chicken so you guys can pick up slowly and surely. And we want people to be profitable for free before they can invest in their educations. So we can help. So we can help y'all change your shit. But I'll tell you right now, low key, just give me one go pack. One go pack go.
No. I'm good. Go pack, go.
I respect it. I respect it. And guess what? We're going to give you a free 50K funded future family account, couple $100 account coming your way right now, Mr. Low Key. Congratulations. Congratulations. And you know what? If you can get that funded, even better, baby, because they pay out. They pay out on time. They're one of the best and uprising props in the game. And hopefully we can get you some tickets to the Lions game with some funded money.
Yeah.
Be nice. Thank you, guys.
You got to do a money spread when you get it. You got to do the money spread.
Llama, show them the money spread, Llama. Congratulations, Low Key. Open up a support ticket, my friend, and we'll get you that free account here shortly. All right.
Thank you.
Money spread.
That's a good dude. That's a good dude. You can tell that's a working man trying to make it, baby. Llama, what are you doing?
You doing a money spread?
I wouldn't call that a spread. I'd call that like oh no, we ran out.
Yeah. It's
I would call that.
I only got 300.
That's like if your wife left a fucking little squirt of ranch left in the fridge. I said, oh, you motherfucker, who leaves one squirt?
Yeah. You all right, Llama.
You know we got the money spread. I just
chicken.
Mona. Who's locked in?
Hey, Llama's rich, bro.
He is, bro. He eating avocado for breakfast, man. Come on. That's for breakfast. And he probably gonna eat it again for dinner, bro. Avocado high, bro.
Right.
How you living?
They don't have avocado in Mississippi. What do you eat oxtail for breakfast?
Right.
That's not true. Most Mississippians go to the gas station and get a 3-piece or a 5-piece chicken strip.
Gas station?
Chicken. Yeah.
What are you talking about? Like a Wawa?
I mean, well, crispy crunch, whatever. We just go to the gas station and get a full course meal.
They got the crispy crunches out there. That's just so fire.
Bro, I bet it is fucking delicious.
Yeah.
But it is
crispy
delicious.
ass chicken.
That's why you see a lot of Mississippians being big as fuck, like they out of shape, because that's what we do. We wake up in the morning.
You're hitting the gas station for breakfast is
you don't
we need to move you out here, Gunno. We need you out here. We need to move you out here,
bro. Wait a minute. You don't get the shits from that?
You will shit for sure,
bro. Remember the first call we got off with him. Yeah, this fucking leopard bonnet on the toilet.
Yeah.
That was crazy. I want to talk about that on the pod. I got it.
Right.
Odd, but yeah. So that I thought, because gas station food down here is terrible. Is absolutely terrible for you. But they have a lot of Cuban pastries and and Spanish pastries in the gas stations. Oh my god, I gotta fucking get one every time. And then they got these little cheese sticks with bread around it. What's it called, Llama?
Yeah.
What's the cheese stick?
The pequeños,
and the bonos. Oh, I fucking.
Do they got Hispanics out there in Mississippi?
No, hell no.
Hell no, right? I feel like it's just white and black over there.
No, it's some Mexicans here too. It's Hispanics here too.
Okay, yeah, but just Mexicans, like not any of the other 46 Hispanic countries.
No,
right? Okay.
They don't. No. Yeah, they don't have nothing out there. So the most famous Mississippian of all time is obviously
Gunno Lavish. It's Gunno Lavish. I don't know what around there.
No, bro, it's gonna be
out there.
Soldier Boy.
The
best rapper of all time, Soldier Boy.
Soldier. We got a lot of talent coming from here though. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of people you wouldn't even know from here. Soldier not even the biggest from here.
Who? Like who?
Oprah Winfrey is from Mississippi.
No, she's not.
Oprah is from Mississippi. Brandy, the singer, is from Mississippi. Whatchamacallit? Morgan Freeman is from here.
Oprah Winfrey is from Kosciuszko, Mississippi.
She's from Mississippi. Whatchamacallit? Morgan Freeman from here. Brandy the singer, Carlos Miller, Keemon Hall, they just got drafted to the NFL like 2 or 3 years ago from here.
There's a lot of people born. Jimmy Buffett, the good old South Florida Jimmy Buffett, baby. Mississippi.
Come on, man. We got a lot of flavor here. They just don't.
one of my
Ray
favorite,
Trimmer.
one of my favorite Brett Favre, of course. I know Brett Favre, one of the biggest, my fucking boy, Big Brett. I'm a huge Green Bay Packer fan. You a sports guy, Gunno?
A little bit. Not
yeah,
too
he
much.
looked like an athlete.
What do you fuck with? What kind of sports you mess with?
I like basketball.
Are you watching the NBA playoffs right now? Actually, the craziest thing was the Dallas Mavericks just got the first pick in the lottery at a 1.8% chance. Now they get Cooper Flag in the fucking draft to replace. He's basically a younger, bigger fucking Luka, and so I don't know, bro. I think that shit has to be rigged. I'm gonna be honest with you. That dog shit trade they made, and then they get the first pick with Cooper Flag. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Are you who's your favorite basketball team?
Boston Celtics.
Oh, down 3-1 after last night. Fucking Jalen Brunson, bro. Jalen Brunson.
I'm about to call Coach Joe and tell Coach, hey, put him to the side, man. We gotta talk. We gotta have a meeting.
Sometimes you gotta do that. I called Donald Trump the other day live on the stream. My boy Llama was in a trade. I called Donnie T real quick and said, Donnie, we need a green candle. You know, my boy Llama's in the lawn. We really need a flip.
Yeah.
And he gave it to me twice, but he said I can't call in no more favors like that. He said I can't call it. He said I've been bullshitting. I can't call in no flavors. But the Don, he's been very good to us. Very good. One of the best. He loves us. The Big Daddy Morning Show. One of the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
I like this cell here, guys. Like I really like this cell here. I just don't really, and I really like it. I like it a lot.
I'm done trading for the day. I stick to a very strict rules, Gunno. I don't fuck around with my rules. I call it one and done. If I hit a banger trade like I did today, well, I did 2 today. I try and trade 1 micro, 1 NQ. I traded and then I log off for the day, bro, because the longer you sit in the casino, the statistics are not good. They are not good. You're gonna get fucked up. So I like to take my money. I like to withdraw it as fast as I fucking can, and I like to continue trying to be more consistent over showing flashy numbers. I like consistency over everything. It's the same thing with social media and being a president, right? Like you gotta keep posting now daily and be consistent just to keep it going.
Right.
People don't realize how hard social media is, bro. They don't get it. It is fucking hard.
You gotta stomp through the hate, especially if you're a creator.
Oh my! Well, I tell Llama now. I've been telling Llama is starting his social media shit off right. He's been consistent for a couple months now, and he's gonna get some followers, and he's still reading the comments. And I'm like, bro, you cannot read the comments on this shit. Look at this. I don't read none. Bro, you just called that shit, boy. You just called that shit.
Begging for me to take it, bro. It was like, please take me, please. And I was like,
damn, that was like a 25-point drop, Llama. That's a banger. That's
bro, it's my 786 just sitting here on my 786. Plus, it's a quarter. Psych level and all. It was just
if this doesn't retrace, bro. If this next candle, if this don't retrace, that's gonna be dumpy, my boy.
Yeah, if it could wick out a little, I'll jump at it.
Very nice. Gunno, what you think about the trading? What you think about the vibe we got here? We got the trading show with the entertainment, the comedy. We do it all for entertainment purposes, not financial advice, of course. But what do you think about the Big Daddy Morning Show?
The Big Daddy Morning Show, I love it. It's very informative, and also just your energy will make me trade along. Like I'd be like, man, fuck that, I'm gonna trade. Yeah, like seeing it, and then that's why I was telling low key to take your course, because it seemed like in your course and the way you talk is like you would tell us to do some shit that you will do. You ain't out here telling us, hey man, trade all day, man. Y'all trade out.
Hell no. Bro, name one person in the history of Earth that loves being at their 9 to 5 all fucking day long. 3 o'clock, you're tired, your boys are off going to drink, and you got to go sit there and do another 2 hours on your shift. Nobody fucking wants that. And that's why I try and teach my students. Teacher Max is no joke. Teacher Max is no joke. But I try and teach it, if you treat this like real work, enjoy the downtime, recharge your batteries, because it's a stressful trading is very stressful, and you don't want to sit here all day. Like as soon as we hang up this phone, I'm off for the day, bro, and I'm going to do some other shit until the podcast tonight. Like I don't want to mess around and be sitting here stressed all day over trading, because I'm just gonna wind up losing and not feeling good. I'll finish on a high note. I try and finish on a high note every damn morning, every damn day. And if I hit a banger, what the fuck do I need to look back at the charts for? My shit's been turned off for a hot minute.
Exactly. But learning what I learned about the trade is, and then I like what you said, like you gotta lose your emotions in this shit. You gotta come with a strategy for sure.
Planning and preparing is 2/3 of every job. 1/3 of it is execution, right? I learned that shit in the military. You know, your boy's a veteran, Gunno. You might not know that because I'm fat and retarded now, but I used to be real slim, very sexy, military max. And I think that's where, and I was law enforcement before that, 10 years law enforcement, Gunno. I learned all that discipline shit very quickly because you see a lot of what right's supposed to be, but you see a lot more of what wrong looks like.
Yeah, for sure. You ain't strike me as that type of guy. You strike me as the type of guy like you was like a ball player. Like you like the ball player. They end up going to college and said, "Fuck ball. I'm just gonna rock out and be cute."
He didn't even finish high school.
No, I dropped out after 9th grade.
That's crazy. You give me jockey vibe. Like you like the cool ass nigga.
Locker room shit.
Yeah, you the cool ass.
I played sports my child life. I played football, baseball, soccer. I want to play hockey. I played I tried to play a bunch of sports. I bowl. I do all of it. But I dropped out after 9th grade because I have severe ADHD and I fucking could not sit in a classroom. No shot. I was just bored, class clown, like fucking no shot was happening. So after 9th grade, I cut it out. And then I got my GED at just turned 17 years old. I got my GED and I went to community college. I went to community college to go with Ball Dan, my brother Ball Dan. He's 2 years older than me. He had gone to UCF in Orlando. And so I went to Valencia State, Val State, we call it. I can't get in a state college, so I got into Val Community College, Val State. And then I made it about a year, but then I got real fucked up the night before my finals, real fucked up, and I failed all my classes. They kicked me out. So
it's not like Ball Dan used to get on your ass.
Is really Ball Dan's fault. He used to get straight A's, that bitch, bald-headed bitch. And he didn't try to tell me to lock in not once, never, because I was selling a lot of weed back then, and he was just like, oh, as long as you're happy, I'm happy, like, but he's a bitch.
He's a bitch.
Ball Dan. Don't take that disrespect.
But look where I'm at now. So I feel like, at the end of the day, that was my fucking path, and then after that, I was just a loser for about a year, just doing a bunch of fucking nothing, drugs, chilling with the boys, getting into nothing good. And then my brother Jimmy, my oldest brother, was like, "You trying to stop being a fucking loser and come work, corrections, law enforcement for a little bit?" I was like, "Hell yeah!" And then I stopped smoking weed in 2008, and then I went into law enforcement. Crazy stuff. Yeah, did that for 4 years. I joined the military. 6 years of 6 years paratrooper, and then your boy got out, and then I got into sales, made a bag, and then I got into trading, and here we are 7 years later.
Gay and fat.
Yeah. I'm gay and fat. Yeah. The moral of the story is the older you get, the fatter you're gonna get no matter what happens, bitch. So still retarded, still fat. Ain't never gonna change. I ain't never
Llama is funny, man. Llama is funny, bro.
Bro, no, he's not that funny, bro. Trust me.
Yeah, okay.
He's
so funny. You're gonna drink a little vino on the podcast?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm chilling, man. I'm enjoying the vibes, man.
You don't need
not now on the podcast.
I don't even need it. We just gonna be vibing.
You don't need it, bro. You don't need
I'll drink for the bros.
Of course he is. Of course he is.
Why are you drinking in your name sober? What?
Tell him, Gunno.
So you lying?
Lying out of his mouth. Lying.
Sober.
No, don't read it.
Why does my name say sober in it? Who the fuck is that?
Sober, pay to play. And he got that shit from a video game. Nerd. Fucking nerd.
I didn't. Dumbass.
Gunno was in the lobby, and someone said, production was like, "Hey, are you here?" And he's like, "I think so, but I think they're just playing a video game or some shit."
Oh God.
You don't fuck with no video games?
No, I do. I was like, but they playing the game. I was like, am I in the right shit?
Yeah, I'm a professional League of Legends. I'm a professional League of Legends player. I play a game it's a sub game called TFT, Teamfight Tactics. I play that shit for many years now. And before the market opens, I like to get my mind right. and play a little league. I don't give a fuck about the stock market until it opens. I don't look at it. I don't care about the aftermarket, the pre-market, nothing. Llama texted me the other day talking about you need to look at the market, bro. It's going crazy. You know, I didn't have a clue what was going on.
Shit was up 800 points. I'm like, Max, you gotta look at this. Nuts.
Yeah. You need friends like Llama, man. Llama, good friend.
Right. I'm him. I know.
Look how Max looking. Max like, man. Max looking like, man. Yeah,
no, he's trash, my boy. Fucking dog shit.
Oh,
fucking
man.
Llama.
What games do you play, Gunno? What games do you play?
I'm getting into today.
What games do you play?
Oh, what games do I play? 2K for sure.
Yeah, I'll absolutely fucking.
I believe it, bro. I ain't played the game, bro. I bought a PS5 a day after Super Bowl and only played it bitch like 3 times. Oh,
you just rich now.
I'm not rich. I just don't have the time to pay it.
Money.
I'm trying to make 1,700 in 30 seconds. I ain't rich.
By the course.
Hey, by the course. Fuck.
The thing is we really, I feel like the courses are very undercharged because people want to learn how to make 1,700 in 3 minutes.
Doesn't matter.
Want to pay $1,000.
You gotta price it so the average person can grow to pay for it. That's the goal. You're not gonna know $5,000.
So when they spend that band, they're gonna definitely try to get their money back then. They're gonna trade and all type of shit.
You gotta invest in yourself. Right. It's an investment in yourself. It's an investment. I feel like I truly delivered the sauce. You know what I'm saying? You got the whole recipe. Unfortunately, I can't make the fucking sauce for the plate. You gotta make it, you know. That's why I can't do it. You got to do it yourself. And I don't fuck with people who don't want to invest in their education. If you don't want to invest in yourself, I don't want to be around you anyway. I don't like people like that. I don't like people who are on the internet trashing me because I sell a course. Like, I don't give a fuck. And then it's the same. You need the same people need to hate on Michael Jordan for selling his shoes. Then go ahead and hate on Michael Jordan for selling his motherfucking shoes. So hate on everybody that's ever had a product or an endorsement. You can't. You can't. How you gonna hate on fucking the guy who dropped hamburgers? You gonna stop eating McDonald's because the motherfucker? If you so good at making hamburgers, why you gotta sell them? Shut your dumb ass up, bitch.
Shut up. That don't even make sense. Yeah, exactly. Like the world gonna keep going. Pay for the sauce if you want to learn.
You gotta pay for. You gotta pay for. You gotta. Llama eats McDonald's. Llama. If they made McDonald's free, I think we would lose the llama. I think we would lose him. I think he would be homeless, sleep next to the McDonald's. I
don't think he'll eat it as much if he got it.
You think so?
I only like McGriddles. That's it.
No. What I mean by that is when people have to pay something, it's an experience. So like once you ain't got to pay for it, you ain't gonna want to eat it. That's just like your mama cooking. Sometimes you don't be wanting that shit because you know she cook every day. You be like, bro.
The only time you ever want your mother's cooking is when you get into college and then you realize, God damn, I miss my mom's cooking.
Exactly. And now you gotta pay for gas. Then you gotta put gas in the car to get to mama, travel to mama. Now the food taste good. Just imagine you woke up every day and your mama cooked for you.
Nah. I don't know about you guys, but my mom's cooking was ass. It wasn't the best. It was ass. Hey,
what?
My mom's cooking with ass. But listen. But she can make a fucking sandwich. Now, anytime we used to ask our mom for something, like, Ma, can you throw down a sandwich for us? You know, because we don't want you to cook, bitch. We don't want anything but your cook. But if you could just throw down a sandwich for us real quick, I know that's gonna be delicious.
I know you had the chips with the sandwich. You had the chips with the sandwich.
We eat everything with the sandwich. I'll eat anything with a motherfucking sandwich, bro. I love a good sandwich.
What's your top 3 chips, Gunno? I think the chat wants to know. What's your top 3 chips?
Spicy nacho Doritos.
Those are the best ones.
Spicy nacho Doritos.
Those are the best chip.
By the course, F. Look.
What?
By the course, F.
By the course. Oh, nigga. Hey. Spicy nachos.
You fuck with Takis?
Nah, I grew Takis.
You like spicy food, don't you?
Nah, I grew out of it. I had locked up on the toilet one day and I was like, I can't keep doing it.
By the dip?
What do you mean you got locked up on the toilet?
My stomach, bro. Like my stomach was like fucked up on the toilet one day and I was like, I can't keep doing this
I'm
shit.
never doing this shit. It was one of those type of shits where you're like, I never eat spicy food.
But everything I eat got some type of spice in it. You know what I'm saying? Like the spicy nacho Doritos, the sweet heat Lays, and see what else. Oh, the dill pickle chips. Anything with dill pickle for sure.
Lock in toilet. Yeah, locked up equals locked in.
I was so locked up. I just made myself a promise. Cause I used to eat hot chips a lot. Like we was kids eating hot chips at 8 in the morning, not giving a fuck.
And
oh God, we walking in first period. Walking in first period, backpack full of hot chips. So
I don't like spicy food at all. I don't mess with no spicy food. I was talking shit earlier, but truly, I can't handle any spice, bro. Like fucking too much black pepper makes me cough. It's bad. Yeah, I got the most bitch palate on earth. My bald Dan, my brother, nasty. He'll smash a Ghost Reaper pepper, whatever. Like he don't care. Look at his breakout. Wow. There's the breakout right there. I told y'all today's just one of those days. It ain't coming back. That's a huge 3-bar up. There goes the market.
I love spicy food.
Yeah, I don't do spicy food. You guys do. What about seafood? You fuck with a lot of seafood out there?
I'm just now getting into it. Like a lot of people tell me I'm missing out on it. But bro, I eat like a 4-year-old on the chicken and
chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders, wings, and fries, and like a burger. Oh, and I like oxtails for sure.
You eat a lot of Jamaican oxtail or like regular oxtail? Because everyone makes it different. Is it Jamaican oxtail? You know, everyone makes oxtail different.
Man, wherever that ox is. Only thing I know is a spot like 30 minutes away from my crib in Grenada. They cook and they got and I be going to get an oxtail plate.
You drive 30 minutes to go get an oxtail plate. It's worth it.
Well, you gonna have to from the crib because the only thing we got to eat there is Sonic and 2 Mexican spots and gas station.
Damn.
That's it. Back at home.
Sonic is low key fire. I have one like the only one closest to me is like in Carroll City, like by the Dolphin Stadium.
Right.
That shit is far as hell. It's like 30 minutes, but
when I was in the military, I used to fuck that shit up. They had that toast. Yeah, they had the toast. You get the burger on the big piece of toast, and I used to smash back in the day. But they also had cookout. They got cookout in Mississippi?
No.
Cookout is fire.
Dutch pot's okay.
Cookout.
I think it's one in Oxford. Yeah, I think it is. I think it is one. It is one. It's like 30-some minutes away from the crib. 30-some minutes away from the crib in Oxford.
Damn, so you got to go 30 minutes to do fucking anything where you live.
Yes.
You live in you don't live in, what's the population of your city or town?
We just looked it up yesterday. It ain't nothing but 1,200 people here.
1,200, bro. We have 1,400 in the chat this morning.
Yeah. Well, that was my neighborhood. Well, that's my city, town, whatever.
That's crazy, bro. Damn, 1,400.
Yeah.
And now, when you think about that, you grew up in a town of 1,400, bro, and you got millions of followers across your platforms now. Millions.
Yeah.
That's crazy, right? You think you can't even fathom that? Like that's half your state watching you.
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
City, when I got 3,000, my city was like, "Oh, you made it."
3,000 followers?
Yeah. They was already like, "Boy, you done made it."
You made it.
My city is small, so just imagine now. And it's so small that we know everybody. Like you can pull up to the hood now and be like, "What Gunno at?" They're gonna be like, "Oh, you probably at work." And be like, "He at work, probably."
Have you noticed an uptick of people coming to your work now because of your recent fame? Have you noticed a lot of people coming through now? Has there been more volume?
Yes, man. I be at work. I don't even be at work. People text me, "Bro, folks up here looking for you." And I be like, "No." They be like, "Bro, they came up here and said, is the dude from TikTok here, Gunno here?" I be like,
they're probably driving from like a different state just to go see.
Crazy.
They're gonna have a sign. They're gonna have a sign in his town. Fucking population 1,200, home of the Mr. Lavish. Like home of Gunno Lavish. Yeah, home of Gunno Lavish FN. Yeah, home of Gunno Lavish FN.
But it's funny, bro. But it's a treat though, cause like I be like my gym and my job. She was like, "We got to keep you inside the building, cause like people be wanting to take pictures and all that."
Oh, I bet. But you know what? And I think it's gonna work out really nice for you. I think that's gonna work out really fucking nice for you, bro. I'm telling you. Bro, you're doing it, man. It's such an awesome thing to see the growth, the success. You fucking famous voice worldwide. I mean, people. But if you never even turn the camera on, people would know who you are. I mean, that's pretty thick, dude. That's pretty sick.
Thank
but
you.
We only got a couple minutes left, Gunno, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna give away one more account, baby. All I need is one more
Let's
number.
do it.
1 through 590.
Let's dig a little deep. Let's go 250. Number 250.
Hey,
it's accounting, Tubby.
I gotta count this, dog. You could have won like 25, motherfucker.
We're gonna do 250. We gotta dig deep.
I'm going fucking deep. Hold on, I gotta count it. You messing me up. Hold on.
14.
250.
48.
Shut up,
20.
bro. You know who it is?
Cool.
Your brother.
No, they ain't my brother, bro. Look who it is.
Cool.
Lava, look who it is. My motherfucking boy, J-Rock.
Oh, that boy, J-Rock.
J-Rock's 250.
No way.
J-Rock, there he is.
J-Rock.
Easy.
Mr. Hopkins.
Well, I knew that shit was gonna happen. I've been getting cooked.
DeAndre, what's up, baby?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, brother. How are you?
Talk to us, Twinifer.
Oh, man.
What do you need? You've been getting cooked? What's the vibe? Talk to us. Jay, what's going on today?
I've been on tilt for like a week, man.
Wow,
I see the setup. I try to take it, and I'm trying to trail better now. And this shit, I get stopped out every time. Then I'm like, oh, fail bearish move, bullish. I'm flipping. It's just I've been fucking up, man.
I've been having the same problem with the trailing, and a lot of my students are asking me now recently, like, oh, I trail. When do you suggest I move my stop loss? When do you suggest I take partials? And honestly, bro, that's something that I cannot teach because it's different with every single trade, and I'm going through the same problem. Before, I never had a stop. I would just hold my trade. I would hold it until it hit where I wanted it to hit. Nowadays,
but like it don't happen every time. Like I'm smacking too. I was just up 1,800. I was just up 1,800. Me, I'm hearing Max Steady say the same shit. We're not coming down. We're not coming down. But I'm seeing it like, this right here, tapped out, and I'm not trailing.
Yeah, bro. I told you too, but I also said today you got to size down because these little pullbacks might be deep, and you got to let these trades come to fruition. You got to size down. Tell him, Gunno, tell him to size down, FN.
Down, Fort Neil.
Jay, you got to size down. You got to let these trades play out, bro, because it's just one of those days. It's a continuation of trend from yesterday. You're going to see it. It's just going to keep ripping. This thing might not.
And that's been in my head too, like that big ass gap. It gotta get filled. I feel like shit. I just don't know when.
You can go weeks without filling.
Exactly.
Bro, there's a common misconception that the gaps on charts need to be filled. They do not. We got gaps from COVID, from 2020. That's 300 points south of us right now on the charts. We're not gonna fill those fucking charts. And if we fill that gap, the economy is burning down, baby, and we got more problems. We ain't gonna be on the Big Daddy Morning Show. I'm gonna have my guns out, fucking trying to stop the looters and rioters if that shit happens. So the gaps do not have to be filled. So keep that out of your mind. Now there is gap trading laws that we could follow by, but those do not have to be filled, my man. Mm-hmm. So you've been on tilt.
I've been on tilt for about a week now, man.
A week
Tilt is crazy. I go on tilt for a couple hours at most.
Bro, so you woke up tilted? Like you're on the
money day. I had a good ass day. I caught a good ass trade, and then I'm like, man, let me get a little more, and that's where you always fuck up.
Oh my, you greedy motherfucker!
He just spoke on it. He spoke on it a while ago.
I'm already knowing. That's what it was. That's exactly what it was for me today.
I can preach it all day, bro, but I can't fucking say. If I could sit there and log off everyone's computers for them, I wish I fucking could, but I can't, bro. I can't. That's the problem. Green is green, bro. I'm up 33,000 in 7 days trading one fucking time. That shit compounds, bro. The power of compounding is always going to be bigger than the power of dopamine to me. I don't fuck with that. I fuck with the power of compounding gains. You got to remember why you're trading and sitting there. Go touch grass. Go do something else. Go do whatever.
And I've been working on that too. That's something I got to work on.
I can tell you too. You got the hoodie up. He got the hoodie up. You know he was in a bad mood. As soon as he pulled up, the hoodie was up. I'm like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
I got on the call like, I can't believe they fucking picked me today. Like,
I knew it was fucking happen. I knew it was gonna happen.
Damn, my shit's busted.
And then it's like I'm looking
dying to get called up. You were pressed.
Yeah.
My bad, J-Rock.
I ain't want to say, you good. Shit, I appreciate getting picked.
He needs it, bro. He needs it. You know why he's pressed? Because he knew we were gonna fucking throw it in his face that he's a dumbass.
Yup. He
sack of shit.
He fucking
I have
knows
a question,
better.
J-Rock. You have a job? You have a job, J-Rock?
No, I don't got a job, man.
Okay, good. Yeah, so you definitely wouldn't have made 1,800 anyway. You need to stop being greedy. Take the fucking profits and be happy and content with what you do. You make your money, you end the day, and you enjoy the show that's filled with entertainment. We got Gunno Lavish on stage. You're here trying to take more fucking trades. Now your account's looking like his fucking head.
Red, huh?
Red.
Lock in now.
Red as fuck.
Lock in now. You know what to do, bro. That's the thing. We have people come up, and the reason we talk crazy to them is because they know what to do. You guys know what to do. So we throw it in your face so you remember one more time. You know what? These guys, we actually care about y'all. We brought you up a few weeks ago.
I know what y'all talking about.
And you know when we bring you up again, we want to see success. We don't want to see this bullshit of I've been on tilt for a week. A week is crazy. You wake up today tilted.
Right.
No.
Right. Never heard of somebody say.
I woke up and had a good ass day today. I went and got my window fixed. Some little ass girl done broke my car, so I've been trying to work on not hopping into a trade until at least after 9 o'clock. I want to at least let my setup form, like let something happen. That's what I've been working on. I got back here at 9, 10. Like I said, I was up 1,800. I just wanted a little bit more,
bro.
There's never the right amount. If you ever want a little bit more, you're fucked because there's never a number. There's never let me just get to 2 bands. You're not stopping at 2 bands if you get to 2. There is no little bit more.
Bro, he knows this shit, bro. He knows this shit.
I know.
He knows this shit. Bro, 1,800. Bro said 1,800 and I need a little bit more. 1,800 in trading. That's fucking $657,000 a year. I need a little bit more. I'm trying to make 658. Fuck you, J-Rock.
Fuck you, J-Rock.
You, J-Rock. J-Rock, however, today is your lucky day, my boy, because Mr. One and Only Gunno Lavish chose you to come up. And for that, you have won the last funded future family account, 50K account, bro. So you got another account. We can't keep doing this, J-Rock. We can't keep meeting like this. I got to see some fucking gains. I got to see some consistency, damn it.
I got you. But my future's funded. I tried to get one of those accounts when y'all have the 50% off, and it I can't log in. I don't have I say I got an account, but I changed the password and password don't change. I can't get into the actual
Really?
I've never seen the dashboard or anything. I've never got in.
Get a support ticket with them and just log out. Get a support ticket, see if you can and then we can get something going there. If not, send me your email or something and I'll text the back end. But we'll see what we can do for you.
I got you.
We'll give you this free account. No, give my boy some motivation real quick. Please.
Hey, you can't be greedy and needy. You know what I'm saying? See, I know what you want. You know what I'm saying? You trying to, I'm finna take the game. You can't take the game.
For real.
You gotta let the game come to you. You feel what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So I already know we got the same mentality, but sometimes, you know what I'm saying, you gotta let the game come to you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, take what you can get. You think we'll know Michael Jordan? You think we'll know MJ and Kobe if they just went out here and took the game? No, they took what came with them. Tell you, bro. You're gonna be the guy, bro. You're gonna be the guy.
I got you.
Open that support ticket and we'll get you going.
I got you.
We appreciate you. And it's always good to chat with you. Always good to chat with you, J-Rock. But I want to see some success next time. Fucking tilting for a week. Get your ass off my stage, tilting for a week. Get your ass off my stage, man. Tilting for a whole week, Llama. A week. That's your boy. That's your boy. Tilting for a week?
A week of tilting is crazy work.
Chat, it is about that time, guys. Our total giveaway now after these 3 accounts. We've given out, Gunno, listen to this. Since January 4th, we've given out $58,976 in giveaways, prizes, charity events, and more. $58,976. We don't want it. We want to give it, baby. We have a 79 win streak. Sorry, 79 green days, 2 red days since the beginning of the year. We're on a 45-day win streak. 45 days. It's a lot of cash when I'm one and done. I don't know about y'all, but I'm doing my thing because I got a family to feed, and y'all forgetting that when you're fucking trading. You're pissing me off today. So We appreciate you all, and nothing we do is financial advice. Everything we do is for entertainment purposes only. We had an unbelievable show. We appreciate the one and only Mr. Gunno Lavish coming on to the show and onto the podcast at 5 p.m. today. Don't miss the podcast with Gunno Lavish. We're going to dive deep and find out really who this motherfucker is that took over TikTok and the internet. Who's this guy that took over TikTok?
Biggest guy on the internet.
Who is this motherfucker that took over TikTok and blew up the whole internet, got everybody saying his catchphrases? We're going to deep dive at the podcast at 5 p.m. Guys, don't forget, check out the free Discord, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to trade like us, check out one of the courses. And all we ask is you support our staff by tipping the staff and using code BDM and code P2P. That is all we ask from you. Everything we do here is for fun, just like Mr. Gunno Lavish here. We appreciate you, brother. Any last words for the Big Daddy Morning Show squad?
Buy the course or be left out the loop. Yeah.
My boy, Mr. fucking Gunno Lavish. We appreciate you coming on, brother. And we're going to see you tonight or this evening for the podcast. Guys, don't forget to tune in to the Power Hour special show up next, 3 p.m. with our boys Javi and Logan, who are on a 15-day win streak. Absolutely killing it. The MOC gambling is out of control, you degenerates. Straight degenerates. This has been a blast and another banger motherfucking day. Big Daddy Llama, close them out.
It was a fucking great day. I mean, great day, honestly. That boy Gunno, we're gonna have a great time in the podcast, guys. Everyone, very, very choppy, ugly day. Leaving the charts how they are. Look at Max, he's showing the ice out. If you guys want to learn to do what you already know where to go. We're gonna buy these accounts. Best discount codes, code BDM, code P2P. You know what? Yeah, guys. Almost $59,000 in giveaways. 45-day win streak.
Crazy.
It's incredible, guys. We'll see you for power. Remember to tap in. Make sure to tap in the podcast today. We'll see y'all later. Max is gay.
Bro.